Hi guys, welcome to StunnerShare. So we are going to see Secrets of Pivotboss book reading, chapter 9, and this will be the summary video or the complete uh, chapter 9 last part of the video. Those who have not watched the videos which has been posted, it is available for membership. Kindly watch the video for better understanding. Tell you guys that try to watch that video and opt in for membership, because you have to watch the repeat videos in a repeated manner. Just by listening to the video once, you will not able to understand what has been discussed. To know more or to apply that in the charts or in the market, you need to work on this video. So you need to have this video handy. So if you are opting for membership, just 29 rupees, there are 30 days in a month. Okay, there are 30 days in a month. So you are going to spend only 1 rupee, less than 1 rupee in a day. For spending less than 1 rupee in a day, you can watch all the possible videos under membership, and also for n number of times. Okay, in a particular day itself, if you want to watch the entire chapter 9 in a repeated mode, you can watch it. Not only that, there are several other videos which has been converted into membership mode. Let me show you guys that as well. Here you actually can see what all the videos inside it. Welcome. Okay, so now I am going into playlist. Inside playlist, if I go into Secret of Pivotboss book reading view playlist, and in that you can see all the videos has been posted here. There are totally 71 videos which has been posted here, and in that videos, if you see, certain videos are already made as membership. Okay, so you have to, if just by paying 29 rupees, just by spending 1 rupee per day, you will be able to watch all these videos. You will be able to watch all these videos in a repeated manner, and also you can watch these videos for the entire month. Just by paying 1 rupee per day, if you are paying 29 rupees for a month, you will be able to watch all the videos in this particular list. Even in chapter 9, if you see over here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 videos has been posted, and all 9 videos are usually for a good content. Those who are not interested to do intraday trading, those who are not having enough time to do intraday trading, they can prefer doing swing trading or long-term investing or position trading when you are following higher time frame pivot analysis. Now it's up to you guys to decide whether you guys wanted to opt in or not opt in. But if you are going to opt in, then it will be helpful for you guys only to go and watch the video. Clear? Now let us come to the summary of this particular chapter 9, higher time frame analysis. In higher time frame analysis, there are 4 topics. One is types of higher time frame pivots, long-term pivot with forecasting, long-term trend analysis, and today we will be seeing the trading the bigger picture. So as an introduction, he just told us like how he started looking into the higher time frame analysis. Basically, whenever we are using CPR and Camarilla, we will be using intraday charts, and we'll be applying daily pivots, and based on that we will see high, low, whatever is there, and we will be trading accordingly. In the case of higher time frame analysis, he is actually looking into a daily bar, weekly bar, and based on that, for daily time frame he is using monthly pivots, for weekly time frame he is using yearly pivots. This he has noticed in 2003, and from that time he is using it, and it has given a good result for him. And this is what the 2008 or 9 time, where 2003 time, where the market came down, crashing from 1500 to 800, and after that taking the support at the L3 and then started moving up. So this is a chart which he has posted in this book. And then we are moving into the concept called types of higher time frame pivots. So here he is just explaining you guys that what are the higher time frame pivots which are available and which can be used. So he is telling that when you are using weekly charts, try to prefer going into yearly pivots. So weekly charts, yearly pivots, that is a combination you have to use. And how the pivots calculation is there, that is already known. Say for example, from the previous day high, low and close, you will be able to calculate for the next day. Same way from the last week you will be able to calculate for the coming week. Same way from the high, low and close of the previous month, you will be able to calculate for the current month. Similar thing you have to do it over here and then plot the charts. Now I could see lot of indicators developed and coded and has been available in TradingView, where you can use the pivots indicator directly and you will be able to fetch it for yearly, weekly and monthly. Clear? So whenever you are using weekly time frame, try to go for yearly pivots. Whenever you are using daily time frame, try to go for monthly pivots. He has given examples for each and every cases. Say for example, in the case of weekly, first example which he has given is on the Dow, and then he has given for crude oils, that is for daily chart. So these all the examples which he has given. I have made detailed analysis and detailed explanation on what all has happened. Say for example, in this particular thing, the chart, the stock took support at the CPR support S1 and then started moving up. Coming to this particular chart, the stock, the chart, the price took support at CPR S2 and faced the rejection at the value area zones or the CPRs and then started moving up and then started facing at H3. So here in this particular example, he was using CPR as well as Camarilla. Same way coming to the next example of gold, the stock was facing resistance at the H3, which is the Camarilla layer, and then started moving towards L3 and then further dropped down to L4. Okay, and then similar way he was also explaining about when the H3 and L3 is very far away and there are like more than 4% or 5% gap is there. At those cases, he is asking us to use the hidden layers H1, H2, L1, L2 to do the trade. At that time, he is asking us to convert it into 60-minute charts, but have the longer time frame pivots open. Say for example, in a daily chart, monthly pivots you will be using, and you are seeing that H3 and L3 gap is more. At those cases, you have to use H1, H2, L1, L2 in 60 minutes chart, but have the monthly pivot itself. All this has been explained in depth, detailed in the videos posted. Kindly watch those 9 videos to have a better understanding. And once after that topic, now we are coming into long-term pivot with forecasting. Here in long-term pivot with forecasting, what is that we are going to understand here is that based on the pivot width, we know what is expected in the market to happen. Whenever there is a narrow CPR, we are expecting that the market will be trending. Whenever there is a wide CPR, we are expecting that the market will be in sideways or trading range zone. So that is what has been explained in this particular topic, and with the proper examples. Even in Dow Jones in 2006, 7, 8, what happened is like 6 had a narrow CPR, but that was not much trending, but still it trended, and then a wide CPR where it was like consolidating, and after that a good narrow CPR formed, and that is where it faced some resistance at the CPR and then cracked down. So he is giving clear-cut examples of whenever a bearish trend occurs, or whenever any market is going to crash, or whenever any market is going to bounce, it is respecting the CPR in a good manner, and that is what he want to highlight over here. And same way in the case of Nasdaq, in 1994-1995, the market was wide in the year of 1994, and in 1995 the entire year was a narrow CPR, and it actually blasted from there. So these are all the examples which he is explaining over there, and then he later discussed about money zone levels also. In money zone levels, nothing but the value area high and value area low, how it is getting respected and how the trades can happen. Okay, so in the case of British pound to US dollar, it is a wide value CPR, and then the next month it was an inside value CPR plus narrow CPR, and inside value area plus narrow value area, all those happened. And then what happened is like market faced resistance at the CPR zone and then broken below the value area low and then started cracking down. So these are the examples he has given, and these all has been explained in depth. Just the summary of it I'm just giving. So in pivot with forecasting, based on the pivots width, rather it can be value CPR or Camarilla or money zone levels or Camarilla H3 L3 levels, any pivots whichever you use, based on the Camarilla or the pivot width, based on that how the trade can happen. Say for example, in the September month, first solar stock has actually trended, and the next month is expected to have a wide range of Camarilla pivots, and in that entire month the market was actually doing sideways market. If you apply the last topic what has been discussed, like convert the daily time frame chart to 60 minute time frame chart and have the same pivots of monthly pivots, but include the layers of H1 and H2, you will be able to make good trades out of it. Okay, no matter whether the market is sideways for a month, but still you will be able to make the swing trades. So swing trades, he is mentioning that if you take a trade on 60 minutes, he's mentioning a 6 swing trades. If you're taking a trade on daily time frame, it is a positional trade. If you're taking a trade on weekly time frame, it is a long term investor trade. So accordingly, he's classified everything. So watch those videos again to have a better understanding. The next topic or the last topic in the chapter 9 is going to be long-term pivot trend analysis. Here is telling what the main criteria of an uptrend or a downtrend market. Say for example, a market is having a trending nature. In all those trending nature, the CPR or the pivots or the any pivot related whatever topic discussed in Secret of Pivotboss book, all those are respected. In a Cleveland Cliffs natural resources chart in the year of 2008 or 2009, somewhere there, actually the market was trending higher, and whenever it was trending higher, any pullback towards the CPR was a buying opportunity, and that was actually mentioned over here. Not only it happened in stocks, it happened in crude also. Even in the month of 2006 to 2010, already the market, the crude bounced from $50 to $100, and again from $100 to $150 it gave another bounce, wherein if you see, every time the market took the support at the CPR, and whenever it took the support at the CPR and bounce, it always made a new high, and that is what has been explained over here. And the same applies for downtrend as well. Whenever the market shows bearishness, what happens is like the market faces resistance at the H3 layer and then comes down. Here he is explaining with the Camarilla zone. Okay, and similar way he is also explained with the VPOC zone. VPOC is nothing but the value point of control. That is also explained in the chapter 9 videos. Kindly have a visit to those videos, so you will be able to understand that. And similarly, he is also explaining us with the developing CPR zones, where in developing CPR zones we will be able to understand where the next day or next week or next month CPR will come. Accordingly, how it will face resistance. Accordingly, how to plan the trade and how to trade the plan. That is are also explained in these videos. So kindly watch those videos so that you will get a mental understanding. And then the last topic, it is going to be the trading the bigger picture. All the points are highlighted here because the entire 2 paragraphs are very important. Key points are discussed over here. Say for example, higher time frame pivot analysis offers extremely powerful methods for trading longer term opportunities. He is mentioning that if you want to have a longer term opportunities, or if you want to have a longer term view, or if you want to have a trade for longer time, higher time frame pivots actually gives wonderful powerful methods. And also coming to the pivot concepts, across any time frame, any pivots, it is working correctly, and it has been giving a good profitable opportunities. And however, the concepts like pivot trend analysis, pivot width analysis, and pivot relationships offer a good long term trades. The money you are making in an intraday is compared is very less. So whenever you are taking money, or whenever you are taking a trade in using higher time frame analysis, it makes a good profit for you. So plan your trades, use your indicators in a better way, and you will be able to face a lot of success. So if you are making a good real-time trading, and end of the day you will be making a good money when you are using higher time frame analysis. The ability to profit from long-term positions, and also you will have the opportunity to have intraday swings. As he mentioned that in a daily chart, monthly pivots you can use, the width between the H3 and L3 will be higher, and at that time you can convert the time frame into 60 and have H1, H2, L1, L2 activated for monthly pivots. By that you will be able to make intraday swing trades as well. Knowing that you have a profitable swing already in position, say for example, you have, based on daily chart or based on the monthly pivot, you already have a position trade with that, and along with that, when you are converting into 60-minute chart, you will be able to take some of the swing trades. Based on the swing trades, you will be able to make profit. So position trades will give you profit in a long term. In between that, based on the market movements, you are playing with the swing trade, so it will give you an extra pocket money to you. So this is all the concepts which he has explained in this book completely. A very detailed, very good concept which has been explained. Kindly make use of the opportunity, opt in for the membership, and try to understand what has been discussed in this in all those videos, so that you will be able to understand. So it's up to you guys to decide what you guys wanted to do. If you feel I have gone bit faster in this video, because it's a summary, right? So I was like making bit, maybe I'm not sure, I might have made a mistake by going fast, but if you feel if I've gone bit fast, try to reduce the speed of the video so that you'll be able to understand in a better way. And next time I'll try to avoid going very fast as well. I hope the content is clear, and any feedback, any queries, please use the comment section and comment over there, and please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.